Hey there, festival lovers. Today, let's dive deep into Chhath Puja, a festival that's all about honoring the sun and celebrating nature. Aarav, do you know why people stand in water to offer prayers during Chhath? Absolutely, Aashna. It's not just about the rituals. It's a beautiful way to connect with nature. The water symbolizes purity, and standing in it represents humility and gratitude towards the sun, which gives us life. Wow. And the offerings? What's the significance of the fruits and sweets? Great question. The offerings during Chhath, like thekua and sugarcane, represent the harvest and the bounty of nature. It's a way of giving thanks for what we receive and reminding ourselves of the importance of sustainability. And let's not forget about the fasting. The devotees fast for a whole day, and sometimes even longer. Exactly. That's a powerful act of devotion. Fasting signifies self-discipline and dedication. It's a way to purify the mind and body, preparing oneself spiritually to connect with the divine. But what's really heartwarming is the community spirit, right? Absolutely. Families come together, and neighbors join in. It's a festival of unity, where everyone shares in the joy and responsibilities of the rituals. And the songs, they add so much life to the celebration. Yes, the folk songs sung during Chhath evoke a sense of nostalgia and connection with the land. They tell stories of devotion and love for nature. So Chhath Puja isn't just a festival, it's a heartfelt expression of gratitude, unity, and respect for the environment. It really is a beautiful celebration of life.